just tip your driver.
Look at that. We got a no-tip customer at Slim Chicken. So why don't we pull up and let them know the Dashers don't make no money on no-tip orders?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm all about you.
Good. You order a lot of Slim Chickens, huh? Yeah.
It was at this moment that he...
Yeah, you know, I recognize your name, right?
For real?
Yeah, shit, we don't make no money when customers don't tip. And I gotta let you know, and I do YouTube and shit, and I help other drivers. Like, when y'all don't tip, all your food you ever got brung to you got brung for free.
Really, nigga?
No bullshit, because when you bag, when they say recommended tip, whatever it is, you know, $5, $10, $1, whatever, when you bag that out and you put 0, we make no money. This order pull up is $2.50. Most customers who bag the tip out, that's what they think, that we get paid a minimum wage or
y'all get paid the money that y'all supposed to, that I'm paying.
no.
Like, I'm like,
When we get no tip orders, your order is considered like one of the worst orders we can get, and we don't make no money. But sometimes we gotta take that order because they might put your order with somebody who tipped $10. And then by you being a customer that order a lot, DoorDash know that, like your app know that, so they automatically gonna pair you with somebody because they know who you is, they know what you order, and they know you're not gonna tip. You know what I'm saying? So look,
I feel fucked up.
no,
Like,
but look, honestly, look, I'm doing it to make customers understand. Now, if you feel fucked up, that's one thing. But moving forward, look, $2.50, 0 tip. That's your order every time, bro. And just think, look, DoorDash drivers do 3 orders in an hour. If I get $2.50 3 times, that's $7.50. I done went to Slim Chickens 3 times, and I done used $5 in gas for an hour of work. Bring in 3 orders like that. That's how much work in a good hour we can do 4. On a regular, we doing 2 to 3. So when we get an order like that, that's $2.50. That kills us. We make no money.
right?
So, you know, if you could take care of your delivery driver next time, I appreciate it.
If you know what time it is, it's time to confront a no-tip customer. No-tip customers are the worst. If you can't afford to tip your delivery driver, you shouldn't be ordering food through the apps. To keep it 100 with you. Some people may say, well, oh, what if they ain't got the tip? Well, you know what? They need to go get it themselves, or they shouldn't be ordering at all. Or better yet, make a sandwich. So we finna confront this no-tip customer, let them know that we, and when I say we, I mean delivery drivers, we don't make no money on no-tip orders. Not wear and tear on your car, gas, and the time that it takes to wait for these orders are just 3 of the main reasons why no-tip orders are not worth our time. So this customer does not appreciate delivery drivers. They don't value our time. So I'm about to go ahead and get them a piece of my mind. Got that no-tip customer's order picked up. So, and this the crazy part. Like they'll be like, oh well, you know, the restaurant was so close, or you didn't have, you know. Whatever they say, it really ain't a good excuse, but they always try to say all this stuff, right? Well, tell me why I ended up having to wait 10 minutes for this no-tip order. So that's what they don't understand. Like, it's the time, it's the money, it's all of those things. Like, nah, man. So we about to pull up on them and see what's going on, because they got some explaining to do. They can't be out here disrespecting delivery drivers and just getting away with it. I'm pretty sure they do this all the time. They probably always order, always bag their tip out, but guess what? Dash and Trader pulling up today and we need some answers. How you doing? I'm doing good. Hey, you mind me asking why there ain't no tip on the order? The tip on there or something? Or okay, right on. Well, I mean, it's for you though, right? Yeah. Just so you know, delivery drivers don't make no money when there's no tip on there. All right. So, you know, we do 3 orders per hour. This order is for $2.50. So if we do 3 of those in an hour, that's $7.50. And that's not even counting gas. So, you know, if you could take care of your delivery driver next time, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you. And that's how it's done right there. Now, will he order again? Yes. Will he not tip again? Yes. But one customer at a time. I'm gonna make sure that these people know that y'all is not finna be getting away with sending through all these no-tip orders. If you ain't got the money to tip, don't order. Simple as that.